राहुल तुला रिमोट देऊ का?
Okay, okay.
Yeah, Rahul.
Yes,
First,
sir.
what I want you is I am reading your Excel sheet, plan sheet. I am at data generate script,
Mm-hmm,
which generates the test data for
mm-hmm,
your model, right?
mm-hmm.
You show me that data generate script.
Data loaded.py file. That is a py file. Please click on data load.py file.
This is
Hmm.
the first step.
This is the first step.
Okay.
Then after loading the data, here is a slide bar. Type CSV text file, Excel file. If any data type you want, it upload. After uploading the data, if there is a error exception, so if there is no file, then you throw the error load file. And then afterward, next part is regarding to perform the EDA. So after that, loading the data, then next step is EDA. Please click on EDA, Ravi. So my title is Compressive Exploratory Data Analysis, st.streamlit. That I defined
This is
one
for which step you are discussing. Refer the step first, then discuss
data
the.
data processing, and
Then you have gone to step two, basically.
step 2, yes, data
You should
preparation.
tell, right?
Data
Step,
preparation.
yeah, data preparation is step two. Step three
Step,
is in your Excel, data pre-processing.
yes.
Are you at
Step.
step three?
No, sir. Sir. Data step 3. Step
Yes.
3 combining that EDA process.
Mm.
Okay. So in EDA process, you can see here there is I perform one function perform EDA. In that particular function, I do first statistical analysis. So uh, data summary statistics, I perform one then slide bar here, then column 1, column 2, column 3. On this I perform statistical analysis, then I give the shape of the my data set. After that, I perform data type. What is the data type of this for this? Then I perform missing values if there is any missing values. Then I perform numerical summary. Means in my data set, if there is a numerical data available, then I perform that is a data drop describe function that perform all statistical numerical means statistical summary they provide. They provide mid, mode, 20 percentile, 75 percentile, 50 percentile. All this value was given, which with that particular function. Then below, Ravi, below, down. No, same in on same but down. Then I perform skewness and kurtosis on that particular data. Means how my data is skewed. Means right skewed or left skewed. And then I perform distribution of data, distribution statistics. Then I perform uh, with the help of column level analysis, perform the each categorical variable column level analysis. Means what data type, if there is a unique value is present in there. So column level analysis also I perform in that EDA operation. Then down, Ravi, in that particular code. Then here I perform visualization. Means with the help of Matplotlib library, uh, here I plot subplots on the 55 line number, then count plot on the and the rotate 45 angle on the x-axis, and then also I perform distribution plot on the 62 number line, and then on that particular I also plot the histogram on 64 line number 64 with the help of the Matplotlib library. Okay. Then also with column 2, I perform box plot for the finding out outlier if there is any outlier present on that. And then on the 673 line, I perform advanced visualization with the pair plot. And the because For the pair plot, we need at least two numerical columns. So I take two numerical columns using, and then I perform correlation analysis, means how one feature is correlated with another features on 82 line number and I also add this data if there is a time series analysis data is there. So we can analyze with time series data also with the help of that code. But our use case is not based on time series, so we can leave it because this is optional. In front end we can see this is optional, so we can leave it this it because Ravi, down. Okay. Then here also we check data quality check, means if there is a duplicate rows available or not. If there is a duplicate rows, so we can analyze the how many duplicate rows are there, and the missing value matrix also here we can check. Outlier analysis also I can do here on the 106 line number, and this is a code for the outlier analysis. and and 112 code said that data sampling means first five rows and last five rows show here. So all this EDA means from the missing value to outlier analysis is done in that particular script. Then next is a feature engineering. Next, Ravi, yes. So with the help of I have to perform the feature engineering. So that's for that purpose, I import the library in for scikit-learn.preprocessing, import standard scalar and one hot encoder. And with the help of that, I uh, uh, I have to handle the missing values. So I take mean, median, most frequent, and constant. These are the four methods I use to handle the missing values. And if there is any categorical on 13th column on 13th row, this code is for the if there is a categorical encoder categorical, so I encode the odd value with one hot encoding, and then perform the transformation. Then after perform the all the encoding means encoding after performing, then I perform the scaling, because I want in my data set some data is out means away from the range. So to make the model more accurate prediction, so I have to arrange the my data in such a format that they are come together. So for that purpose I use standard scalar, so it arrange my data set in the form of -3 to 3 in that particular range. So it become a very easy to model to find out a linear relationship between the one feature and another feature. So it will be helpful to building the model and increase the accuracy. After feature engineering, I go for the feature selection. So after feature engineering, I use correlation, Skype-based RFE. These are three methods. So I use correlation matrix to find out how one feature is correlated with the target column or another target columns. If there is a good correlation, so I take it. If there is a not good negative means not negative correlations, so I can drop this according to business use cases. So I in this particular here are three method correlation. So I in this code if else. So I give three options. If you want any one of them, if you want to correlation, you can use correlation. You can use select best. Then you can RFE also for that particular means correlation means feature selection purpose. The next is model evaluation. So here I train the and Ravi, again get to the feature selection. Okay, here I train the model using the logistic regression algorithm. Then I go for the next model evaluation.py. Uh, in that here I use confusion matrix means evaluation matrix. Here accuracy score, confusion matrix, classification report for that purpose. After the training over, here you can get the evaluation report, means what how your model is performing. And then here is the model training part. So model training part, in the model training part, it's come after the model training, then model evaluation. So here is a means means arrangement of the file F1. So here we can see first I do model training.py. Here in model training.py I take three algorithm: logistic regression, random forest, and support vector machine algorithm. And on each means I give the option if you want choose any of them. If model type is logistic regression, you can choose logistic regression, random forest, SVM, and train the model on any one of them. After training the model, you can evaluate using model evaluation.py, and that in utils.py, in utils.py, in the utils.py, here I dump the model, train model I dump, and after dumping the model with the help of joblib, I load the model and make the prediction on the this on this. And requirement.txt, in requirement.txt, here is my all the libraries, requirement.txt, here is my all the libraries which are required for the building that particular application. So streamlit, pandas, numpy, scikit-learn, matplotlib, seaborn, and joblist. So I have to install this all the libraries and in that my particular environment before building the after creating the environment. uh, so I have to build that this libraries. So Ravi, please go to the means terminal. Activate the environment. You have code for activation. Yes, so I activate the environment. So I give the environment name is insurance risk script.activate. And now this is my environment. I activate. Now I run the my app.py. Ravi, please click on app.py file. Yes, here is a this is a parent script. From here in this script, I call the each script with the help of the function. Means data load, EDA, feature engineering, feature selection, model evaluation, model training, and utils.py. All the scripts are called from these scripts app.py. So now I call this script with the help of this command streamlit run app.py. Ravi, and enter. So here you can get the two URLs, localhost, and this is my IP address 85051. So after clicking on that, you can see the my output. So Ravi, go to the your any web page. So you can share also to me or sir also. Sir can see. Ravi, show the front end.
Okay. Menu driven or what?
Ah yes, menu driven. Ravi, please show the front end. No, no, front end only. Go to the front end directly.
Here,
No, your this app
Browser,
page,
browser, browser.
browser.
okay.
It displayed on browser, right? Localhost.
Or you can copy this and paste on the local.
I think he has not browsed it. It should be appearing on localhost. He has to use that localhost URL in browser and show the browser.
Show the browser.
Yes, yes, yes,
And
it's showing.
but please share the screen. Your screen is not visible.
Okay,
Browser
okay,
screen.
okay, wait. Okay, wait. Now it's visible.
Yes. So sir, this is my uh means
Left side
front.
navigation option, sir.
Yeah, yes. So here you can click on browse file. So click on browse file. So choose any Excel file you have.
What you are
Or
going to input there?
file size up to 200 MB Excel file means data file, my data file here.
My message is visible.
Your
Now,
screen is visible. Yes, you browse file and choose the data file up to 200 MB.
okay.
Data file, you have already created the data.
Yes, yes.
How you
Yes,
created?
yeah.
Using a script, right?
Yes, sir. But I not include this in that
Yeah.
process because I have that Excel
Okay.
file. But
Yeah.
Ravi, you browse this file.
Yes.
Browse.
So
Okay.
Click.
offline, you have executed
Uh,
test
uh,
data first.
yes. Click on browse.
Wait. Wait. And now
Uh,
my screen is the
yes, 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 yes. You
browse. I take
open.
the file from here and
Uh,
open.
Open.
So
Yes.
this is my
Uh,
data types.
so here is a first five row, and then so drag below here. Option download option is there also. So below here is a data type. You can see data type. Then go below. Then go below. Okay. Now click on EDA. EDA. Okay. Is now now compressive data analysis. Here is show the shape of data type. Yes. Then here is a numerical means numerical statistics here showing all the statistics. Then distribution statistics also present. Then go below. Click on column level analysis. Oh, so he show the all the column level analysis for the all the numerical with the help of distribution plot, box plot. Then go below advanced visualization. Yeah, so it show the scatter plot for the data with five numerical value. Then go down. Then correlation also. It is not applicable time series. Then go below. Then data quality check. You can hit on data quality check. Click. Yes, it's showing how many duplicates presents in my data set with the help of that matrix. Missing values. So these are my missing values in my data set. That white line. Then go below data sample. So this is my data sample here, and with the negative values. So feature engineering. Click on feature engineering. Okay, so in here I give the all the feature handling missing values, encode categorical variable, scaling feature, and transformation. By clicking, it perform all the activity. If you click on handle missing values, so it handle the missing value. Okay. So sir, there is a one error in that particular. I have to debug the. I do not get time to debug, but this small
Okay,
error.
okay,
Okay.
okay.
Okay. So sir, can you please stop the recording if possible?
Okay, 1 minute. So, what is the environment you created? Is it an Apache server or on Windows or Linux? This one
So
running.
On Windows, I create inside the VS Code, I create one environment.
No, 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 no. There should be a server, right? It's running on particular server, right?
I can run this on the server also, not an issue.
But
Uh,
now there is no server running. Just directly you executed the Python scripts with GUI.
Python script with the help of that library. In Python, one library called Streamlit. It means it is useful for making apps for machine learning, like that when a menu driven.
So that is the right side
Uh, uh,
menus.
yes.
Those data showing all those things are coming from that
Library.
library.
Yes.
Library.
Yes.
Normally, if you run the program in command line, it displays in a separate windows those things. So
But
now this library is bringing into the page,
yes, yes,
kind of
yes,
web page.
yes, web page.
So what you need to do is you take the entire code and implement in either Apache or IAS server.
Yes, 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 yes.
So that is the final demo you need to do it
Oh,
by implementing and showing the things. So once you debug and streamline the code, that time you can give a full-fledged demo with
okay, okay,
menu options in the screenshots. Whatever you are showing for each left side option, there are different layouts. Those layouts you can copy into PPT and explain one by one in the beginning. Then later you show the application like this. It should
okay,
be one should be Linux, and if you want to do on IIS server in Windows, also you can do both versions. You can keep it separately and show it. And also You can give it to me, the same setup. I want to set up and do like a QA. This is the process for every model application, what you guys are preparing it.
Okay, no problem.
Okay. Right? You got
Hmm.
it, right? Okay, I'll
Okay.
stop.